Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds, HONOR Earbuds to Lite. So we have the control, the charging case. At the right side, right here we have it. If you put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white, you will enter pairing mode. If you press and hold this button for at least 10 seconds, if your headphones in the charging case, you will perform a factory reset. And then you need to only reconnect them with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. Next, we have also gestures at the earbuds. And first I will show you how to use them and then how to customize them. So let me play some song. Okay, so the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, right here and right here, we have it. So now let me put it to my ear, then I will play the song. If you press 2 times at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, and as you can see I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play the song. Then we have press and hold. So let me open the application. Right here we have ambient sound control, so we have ANC, transparency and normal mode. If you press and hold at your left or right earbud, you will swap between these modes. So now I use normal mode, press and hold, and I will swap to ANC. Then press and hold again, and you will swap to transparency mode. And the last double press, press and hold, and we will return to the normal mode. Now, how to customize it? You need to open the application, then tap at your headphones at the device list and go to the gesture control. And right here we have double press. By default we have play and pause. Let's set it for, let's say, for the left earbud I wanna play previous track, and with the right earbud I wanna play next track, and we will check it later. And for the press and hold we have only ambient sound control, but you can set it to none if you don't need this feature. Also, right here, as I show you, we will swap between ANC, normal mode and transparency, but you can disable some of these modes. Let's say you don't need to use ANC, you just click on it, and now we will swap only between normal mode and transparency with a gesture. In the application you can tap at the ANC even if you disable it right here. The same from transparency. As you can see, I cannot remove more than one because we should use 2 modes. So yeah, I cannot, as you can see now, edit. And now let's check the double press. Is it work? So we have previous and next track. Now I put it to my ear. I press 2 times at my right earbud. 1, 2. We play next track. 1, 2 at my left earbud, and we return to the previous track. Now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.